Hey everyone, so I hope you have been doing well, staying at home. Right now Singapore is under phase 2 heightened alert. So I am at home in my little video setup and I hope you guys enjoy. Today in this video I'm going to be doing a sweet makeup look. I really wanted to use like pinks but still keep it kind of daytime natural. I'm also going to be using this palette. It's the Pixi and Tina Yong Tones and Textures eyeshadow palette in this video to create this eye makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Alrighty guys, so this is me without any makeup on and I'm going to be transforming into this. I really hope you guys like it, so let's get started. First thing I'm going in with is my moisturizer. This is the Glow Recipie Pink Juice Watermelon Glow Moisturizer and I love this, soaks it right in. Then I'm using my sunscreen. This is the Supergoop Mineral Sheer Screen and it comes out white first, but it does blend it seamlessly. It's only SPF 30, so if you're looking for something higher, then you may want to swap out. And then I'm going in with my foundation. I love to do a very thin base and top it off with my favorite concealer. So I prefer this method because it really just feels like nothing when I'm going about my day. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop foundation. I like it because it's super thin, but it gives you more of a matte coverage than a glowing one, which a lot of tinted moisturizers have. So I'm just blending this out, and now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Clay de Peau concealer. It's my favorite concealer. Now it is really expensive, so I don't use it that much, but it's my favorite concealer. It blends in flawlessly and gives me that beautiful cream skin look. Now it's time for my brows. I'm using the Innisfree Autobrow pencil. I've been using this for so many years and it's only $6, so I highly recommend it. My shade is in number 4. If you have black hair, number 4 is good, but if you have brown hair, number 5 is better. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, just topping off some concealer as my base, and then I'm going in with the Tina Yong Tones and Textures palette, starting off with this nude brown pink inside my socket. I want to create kind of like a airy, misty, and soft socket, rather large, because I know that I'm going to actually cut my crease in a second. So I'm just going to be applying this with my basic shader brush. And this is new. I'm going to take some of my concealer, dab it in the center of my eye, and use my small slim smudger to carve out the shape of my eye that I want. I do this when I want to make my eyes much bigger, and it really helps to open up and brighten the eyes. If you always feel like your eyeshadow, it looks a little dark or like not opened up, you can try this. Then I'm using this bronzy eyeshadow palette, pressing the pigment into the concealer, and you can see that I still have that shape that I like, but it's kind of like a soft look, which I like. Now I'm taking the darker colors and I'm just applying this at my lash line and kind of fuzzing it out, softening it and creating more of an ombre effect from the lash line up. And I'm using the even black colors to make this liner effect. And I want to create this kind of like more Korean puppy eye look. So I'm continuing this at my lash line and this just drawing straight out. I'm going in with this blue because I want it to be different. So we'll see what happens. It's not too bad. I'm blending this out and it kind of looks like a soft misty gray, which is kind of nice. Then to top it off, I'm going to use this shiny bright eyeshadow from the palette in the center of my eye, and this is just going to brighten everything up. And then my eyeshadow's done. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner. This is the Dollywink My Best Liner. It's my favorite eyeliner right now. I think I've mentioned it a couple times. It doesn't come off, seriously. And I'm just coming in from the back, making a wing straight out. As you can see, this is more the puppy Korean wing, and it just makes my eyes look longer, but not necessarily that dramatic. Of course, lashes are really important. I'm using a micro mascara. As you can see here, it has a much smaller brush head. I'm using my favorite Dollywink Easy lashes and applying them to the back of my eye. They are just half lashes, super light, super comfortable, brightening my eyes in the inner corner, and then going in to finally set my face with my loose powder. I don't set in advance in case I make any mistakes. Then I'm going to contour my face with this bronzer. Any bronzer will do, and I'm using a pink blush. Now feel free to go crazy with the pink. I think that's what makes the look very sweet. And it has to be pink because peach is not as sweet as pink in my opinion. And then just a little bit of highlighter. Finishing off with the lips. I'm going with like a nude pink, which I don't normally do, but this is a really nice pink. And then I'm going in with a darker pink in the center of my lips. So that's gonna give me more of like a Korean gradient lip that I like. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a sweet afternoon tea makeup look.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram at RoseanneTangRS, and I hope to be doing more videos during this little lockdown period. I'll try and get to it. If you guys have requests, let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.